is the first day of spring. Y'all see my bunny ears? Listen, I am so excited for some much warmer weather, and I'm also excited to start cleaning. I've got a ton to tackle today. We're gonna get started first upstairs, and then we'll head downstairs and get that all the way together. So let me just go ahead and apologize in advance if I don't hop in on camera face to face for you guys. If you hear me pop in over on voiceover, it's probably because I'm a hot, sweaty mess. Just saying. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you're brand new to the channel. Let's go ahead and get started right here in my messy bedroom. As I was editing this video, I had a small realization. I could either give y'all a 40-minute long whole house cleaning video like everyone else is doing right now, or break down all the cleaning I did into a spring cleaning series, because it's honestly not realistic to get all of your spring cleaning done in a day. It's possible, but just not realistic. And in real life, I wouldn't be doing all this cleaning by myself, but I did so I could film it for you guys. That said, us women have enough pressure, and I don't want my subscribers to feel like you have to spring clean everything in a day just because I did. So we're going to take this one room or a few areas at a time. I just made my own DIY linen spray with essential oil in it, and it was really easy. All it was 2 cups of distilled water, 14 drops of lavender essential oil, 14 drops of tea tree essential oil, and 8 drops of lemon essential oil.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details to. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm not gonna wake up.
Now that I've started dusting, I want to show you guys an easy way to dust your lampshades. It's a really simple hack, and that is to use a lint roller. So I'm going to do this now to both of my lampshades. So while I've got this sitting on the carpet, I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning off this vanity. baseboards in here were extremely dusty, so I wanted to make sure I got them really clean.